Hi everyone, I'm Jennifer Zarate with CRN TV and welcome to the very first episode of VARs Cooking at Home. With most of us now working from home, I'm curious to see what recipes you're heating up in your kitchen. I'm joined by Andrew Gilman, Channel Chief and Head of Marketing at NWN, to talk security and how the IT-enabled services company is addressing coronavirus concerns. Thank you for joining us, Andrew.
Thanks, Jennifer, and thanks everyone for tuning in to the first episode. You know, we're here with some special helpers here at home. If you want to introduce yourself, what's your name? We got Gabe and Zoe, 6 and 4. And we're here at home and we are completely going bananas. We thought it would be appropriate to do one of two things. One, we're cooking some cookies ahead of time. And secondly, we're cooking some really healthy banana bread that's gonna rev up our immune systems and give us some sweetness that we need while we're here at home.
Well, it's great to have you all, and thank you, Zoe and Gabe, for joining us today. So before we get started, what ingredients do we need?
So we need flour.
Flour.
We need salt.
Salt.
We need baking soda.
Baking soda.
We need cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
We need
Vanilla.
vanilla. We need 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
We need maple syrup.
And where did this maple syrup come from?
From namesakes.
From the trees in our town. So very special.
And some milk.
Some milk. How about this? Some chia seeds. Chia seeds.
And walnuts.
Walnuts.
We have
some olive oil. And what else, Gabe?
Cookies.
So we've whisked together all of our flour, cinnamon, baking soda, and salt. We're going to set that aside. And in a large bowl, we're going to take the 2 eggs, the oil, the honey, or in our case, you can use honey or you can use this beautiful maple syrup that literally just came out of the sugar shack here locally in town. And we're going to put that all together, as well as stirring in the 3 bananas into the flour mixture. What I was going to say about the bananas is that on YouTube, we're all on YouTube a lot with the kids, learning tips and tricks while we're inside. I learned that the proper way to peel a banana is not from this side. It's actually the opposite side, because if you look at how like monkeys and other animals peel it, they peel it from the bottom, not from the top. It's a lot easier to do. So another chef's trick as we're going through making this this healthy banana bread. So
what is the final steps to this banana bread, healthy banana bread recipe?
Well, we're definitely going bananas, so I appreciate the time to share our recipe. So we preheated the oven to 325. This is all greased and ready to go. So we have to just put it in the oven and set it for about 20 minutes. Keep your eye on it. You know, you can always use the old, the trick of putting a toothpick in and making sure it comes out clean. But other than that, we're ready to go and bake it up, and we'll have some nice banana bread for later today or in the morning.
Now let's switch gears. Security is a hot channel topic, and even more so amid the global COVID-19 pandemic. So what security solutions do you have in place to ensure your users' systems are kept safe and secured?
I saw a really funny tweet that I tweeted out, which was, who's driving your digital transformation initiatives? Is it A, your CEO, B, your CTO, C, your CIO, or D, COVID-19, with a big circle around COVID-19? So I think what our customers have been asking for, and unfortunately during this time, it's accelerating all their digital transformation initiatives. Security obviously underpins everything about that, and I think as you're going out of the enterprise, right, or out of the public sector core into the edge and into remote sites, security becomes more acute in how you can obviously protect the network, protect the firewall, protect all the information coming in and out of your system. So at NWN, as you mentioned, we're a tech-enabled services company. We really focus on 5 core offerings that we deliver for our customers. The first is unified communications. The second is contact center. The third is DaaS, or device as a service. The fourth is security, managed security. And then the fifth is really the network and all the infrastructure designed to support those applications.
So what kind of impact are you seeing on the business side of NWN?
I think, in general, right, unified communications shifting work styles, contact centers, that the infrastructure, the network that supports those, the security, as we started at the top of the call, right? These are core functions that everyone's upgrading and really looking at from an investment cycle. I think if you look at 451, they have a lot of great data. IDC, the next 3 years were forecasted to be absolutely critical in the shift to the cloud from a communications and security. I think this COVID piece is definitely just compressing that in a meaningful way. So we're definitely seeing that from our customers, that the projects that, were critical infrastructure related, they're coming in. Oh, cookie time. And so, we're obviously serving, they're really hot, be careful. Super hot, super hot, super hot, super hot. Ooh, that's a hot one. So we're definitely, cookies are done. Here you go. Here, go eat some cookies. So we're definitely obviously seeing an impact, a positive business impact to the capabilities that we provide for our customers and the business outcomes that they're able to get now, especially because of this big shift. Bye. Thank you. Hi, Jennifer.